Hey lawn dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, UlnarLawnCare.com. Hey, how you doing today? Check out this footage, just some mowing footage, nothing special. If you're reading the title, we'll see towards the end what Morgan did, or did she do it? Anyway, stick around. We'll be back in a minute. Ugh. Hey, Morgan. This grass is tall.
Yeah.
Oh, what'd you do? Is that you? Did it just fall out?
Yeah.
Anyway, when we the grass clippers, I'm having a hard time keeping out of the beds. So let's when we get ready to blow, make sure we just hit all the beds around the house too, because I'm trying to keep it out, but it's tough. So let me show you what we're working with here. This is the grass, and this is one of my, I don't think this yard's been fertilized. That's how tall it is. So we have to double cut. I've had to double cut every single one of these yards because I don't have a bagger on my Kubota. But even if I had a bagger on it, we'd be here twice as long, I think. So it's ridiculously long. This is just 1 week. We have not missed any time on this yard. We literally mowed it a week ago today. And this is the third one in this strip of 3 yards. So we're gonna get this done and move on. This will be number 6 for the day. We got about 4 more. All right, let's go do this. How you doing, Morgan?
Feel good.
Feel
Better
good?
than yesterday.
Better than yesterday?
Yeah.
Hey guys, so you see that, what I showed you, that's what we're dealing with the last couple days, these double cutting these yards, and it's just a lot, but it's a lot cooler today. So just wanted to make a quick video for you, just a mowing video. Hope you enjoyed the footage. Hey, always give maximum effort, and oh my god, be kind to everyone. See you later.